Welcome everyone in today's video, and in this video I will compare Scrabble with the Designer. Both are cloud-based solution to create ebooks. So first of all I want to talk about the price before we jump to the demo section. So you already know that Scrabble front-end plan will cost you $67, but I will provide you a page link in the description where you can find a coupon code for the front-end version and upsells as well. If you use a Jan 2020 or FB Secret 007, then you can get front end version at only $19, and I have also coupon code for the upsells. Let's talk about upsells a little bit. So first is Scrabble Professional, where you will get extra 100 templates. In the front end version you have only 15 templates, and you will also get 99,000 pre-made articles of all major niches. Then you have unlimited storage and additional stock images. There is also API included of Pixabay. If you don't know, Pixabay is a website of free stock medias. Then in this you have agency license and 9,000 new page design layouts. The second is Scrabble Prime, that will cost you $47 for a lifetime access. Everything actually is a lifetime access, and in this you will get 15 brand new templates every month. You can also request your niche specific template. The third upsell is a Fantasy 3D. In this you can convert your main cover into a 3D cover. For example, this coverage is generated by me in the Scrabble Fantasy 3D. You can also convert your ebooks into flip books. Then we have a AutoJob. In the basically AutoJob can find jobs available on the freelancing websites. Not all of them website listed here on the landing page. I have also coupon code for this AutoJob that will save you 50%. So make sure you check this page. By the way, if you purchase any Designer or Scrabble through my affiliate link, then I'm going to provide you custom bonuses. For example, how to write non-fiction book from a New York seller, best author, and few other courses as well that will cost you a lot of money. So make sure you check that page. Now talk about Designer pricing. Designer is a pricing is totally different. I mean, in the Scrabble you have a front end version, then you have a 4 upsells, but in the Designer it's totally different. You have different kind of plan, so you can anytime you can upgrade on a plan or you can downgrade your plan. Okay, if you go to designer.io pricing, you see it's a lot of money. Definitely standard is $29 for a monthly, for every month. But if you sign up through my affiliate link available in the description, you will get a standard version at $27. Same feature or everything same. And the Pro, Premium or Business plan, that plans are also available at a discounted price. Pro plan will cost you around $19 or $97 for 1 year, and except the standard plan, everything Pro, Premium and Business plan will cost you. I mean, premium business plans are based on annual subscription, so it is not a one-time fees like Scrabble. And one more thing, Designer provides you 7-day free trial, which Scrabble isn't, so that is a good thing. Now that is enough about price. Let's jump to the demo. Here we are in the Designer, and here we in the Scrabble. So as you can see, this is a light theme and this is a dark theme. So let's just create a new ebook. I will click on start new project, and then here also create new project. It is asking me that how you want to insert your content. There is a one feature available in the premium and the business plan, that is a transcription. So what it is, if you have a G2 video or you do podcasting thing, then you can convert that audio thing into a ebook, although that is available only premium and business plans. Okay, but so I have upgraded, that's why you are seeing that thing. But if you have a standard plan, $27 deal, then you are not getting anything out of them or import from Google Docs. So let's just start from a template, and here in the Scrabble I also click on the template to create new project. Here we have our templates. If you want to preview any template before using it, just click on the preview button. It will show you a preview. And you can also preview in the PDF, which Scrabble doesn't allow you. So here we have the preview. Okay, let's just not pick this one. I am going to use this one, so I will click on the use. And in the Scrabble we have templates. As you can see, the number of the template depends upon your Pro plan. I don't have a Prime, but I have a professional right in this my account. So you, by the way, in the both products you will get a search and sort according to the categories. I will not view it, I just use it. and it is me asking about editor by default freehand, and it is a good. So just name anything here, then we click on the next. If you see in the designer we have a lot of options, but in the Scrabble we don't have a lot of options, but we have all the necessary options. For example, if you want to convert your blog post into an ebook, or write it from the scratch, or copy paste, or upload a Word file, or there are some pre-written articles available in the Scrabble that you can use. But I will click on create your ebook, then click on the next, then I will click on the finish button. So in the designer we are in the editor. So if you can see, this is your cover page, then this is your table of content, and this is your footer page or back page. So there are in every template, not only this template, in every template there are only 3 pages available. So in that templates, designer just sucks. But if we go to the Scrabble, it's loading its editor. Here we are in the editor. So I just pick this random thing. So this is our front page, then table of content, then this thing. So as you can see, in every template there are a lot of pages, and the funny thing is that, I mean, in that designer you cannot copy a page. So let's just say that this is a back page. I really like that design of this thing. Okay, I want to copy it. I mean, in this design these things are included, so there is a no copy button, you know. And if you right click on it, there is a duplicate button, but it is not going to work. So only content inside the page can be copied. So you know, I have just tried a lot of harder to, if I can find a feature that how can I copy a page, but sadly there is no copy button available in the designer, and every template has just only 3 pages. So everything, you know, except these 3 pages, everything will be like a Word document. Of course you can change the background color, but still you cannot, you know, match with your theme or template. But in the Scrabble, for example, this page or any page, you have this copy button. So if I want to copy this, I click on that copy button, so it will create that page copy immediately. But I don't want, I will delete it. Now talk about which is a better editor. So if we are in the Scrabble, if actually I just delete this thing. Okay, so let me just insert something from the scratch. So these are the elements that you can insert inside your ebook. So you can also customize them. Not a lot of options, as you can see. So let's just insert a heading tag, this, and if you want to insert a new thing, you can, you know, use this plus button, or you can if you have already inserted that kind of element, you can copy any of them. So like this, using, you can copy the heading. If we talk about if we talk about its customization, if I click on the gear icon, you can control the margin top, but you cannot control margin left, bottom and right. And padding is also not a lot of customization. So these are your customization. It uses Google Fonts API, so that is a good thing. So these are your controls. Sometimes depending on the element, you have a little bit more or less controls. If we go to the designer, let's just say that okay, and one more thing, you know, inserting new page in the designer is also a little bit tricky. So if you want to insert a new page, click on that plus button. Let's just say that I want to insert new page here before the footer, of course. Okay, if I drag and drop like this, it's not going to work. Even if I blank page, okay, it's not going to work. So what you have to do inside any page, for example, I want to insert new page after whenever this thing is ending. So I will drag and drop, and inside this page I will drag and drop, and only then I can create a new page. Okay, and here, if again I go to plus button, now I will copy the components and expand the typography. As you can see, you have a lot of things to insert in your ebook. Let's just say insert the heading, and this is, by the way, this is only available in the typography. If we go to the media, then you have again a lot of options, and layout, again a lot of options, and shapes, and saved elements. You can also save, I think, your custom element. So let me just change the font family. Both use the Google Fonts API, but in the designer you have more than 900 font families, while in the Scrabble you have around 300 font families. That is okay for me. I don't know about you. So again, as you can see in the left sidebar, there are a lot of customization features available. So these are for the font family and some other things. If we go to the spacing, you can control the margin for the all sides and padding for each side separately, and border, again a lot of things available for the border and shadow as well. Now, if you want to insert a new paragraph, you can just right click on anywhere here, or you can also drag and drop from the typography here. Okay, it is up to you that how you want to insert. There is one feature available in the designer. Actually, some feature are available in the Scrabble, not available in the designer, and some available in the designer, not in the Scrabble. So the feature that I was talking about is undo and redo buttons. Okay, so if you, let's just say you have deleted something, but you find out that you don't want to delete it. I mean, you know that what is a function of undo and redo button, but in the Scrabble you don't have undo and redo button. I really missed that thing while I was creating some ebooks inside the Scrabble. So that's a really con of the Scrabble. The one more feature, if you have noticed while I was creating the project, designer speed is basically designer is faster than the Scrabble. I don't know what is things going behind the backend, but definitely while you are creating your project, you can notice the difference in the speed. But once you inside the editor, the speed is same in the both editors, so you don't need to worry about the speed then once you load it into the editor. The one more feature that for example this paragraph, of course you can control, if you go to the spacing, you can control the margin and padding for every side, but you cannot drag and drop if you want to change its position. But in the Scrabble, if I go here, or this image, I want to change its position, I can drag and drop wherever I want to do. So it's pretty easy to use. That is a definitely advantage of Scrabble over designer. And when you want to publish, click on the publish button, then it is asking me. There is one more feature, optimize images, that's not available in the Scrabble, and these are the format. If we click here, generate ebook, first of all it was asking me about method. I will click on new method. Actually it is just going to now generate the ebook. So it have generated in the, I think all form, it has generated your ebook in the PDF format by default, like designer, and you can also go with other formats, for example Amazon Kindle, EPUB or Mobi, that are also available in the designer. So in the format you don't have to problem with any of them. Let's just download. So this is the ebook that we have created using the Scrabble. Its colors are looking amazing, you have to agree with me, no doubt. If I go to Fancia 3D, I told you that you can create the flipbooks or 3D covers. Let's just create a one 3D cover. So here in that 3D covers, it is first of all you have to choose your project for which you want to create a 3D cover. Let's just go with this one. I will click. Did I click? Actually these are the project of 3D cover that I have generated previously. So you have to click on create a 3D cover, and here you have to name it. You can also start from the scratch, or you can pick up template or existing project. So I will go with the existing project. Then here it is going to load all my projects that are available in the Scrabble. So this is the recent project, we will use this. And if you want to generate 3D cover inside your project, you need to hover over it, then click on this 3D cover generator, As you can see, there is a lot of 3D covers, and you have also mockup option available in the designer. But if we talk about Scrabble, if I click on generate 3D cover, you have I think around 12 templates. No, you have 10 templates. So again, in the covers, because it's expensive, you have more controls in the designer. So let's just go with but for the books, oh, no, I mean, for the books it has only 4 books, while Scrabble is all about books. I will pick this thing here, and here I will pick this thing. So it's generated my 3D cover, as you can see on your screen, and it has also generated my 3D cover. Don't you think so that it's looks a little bit blurry? I don't know why. Yeah, whatever it is. So this is your flip book. No book that go side by side like a real book, but in the digital world. So let's come to the conclusion, which is a better. See, if your main demand is the templates, I told you that templates, these are really amazing in the Scrabble, so then go with the Scrabble. But if you want a lot of customization while editing, then go with the designer. And now talk about the bonuses that I was talking in the starting of the video. The first bonus is how to write non-fiction book. It is by our 4 times national New York Times bestseller author. How could I forget to include his name? Okay, then we have a course bundle. This bundle will cost you around $2,500. If you click on the check real price now, it will take you to the real price. But if you purchase the Scrabble or designer through my affiliate link, you are getting these 7 courses completely free. So here is the price, as you can see, same that I mentioned it here. But if you want to free, use our affiliate link. You have also course on Google Ads Bootcamp, Facebook Ads Bootcamp, Noah's YouTube Secrets, $1 million email templates. There is what is going on in the world right now, so making remote homework, and some ebooks written by me, for example email building masterclass if you want to build your email list, and crush campaign, that 7 days crush campaign that has generated around, if I open this image and the new result, that has generated $3,000 in the revenue and $600 because I have really low margin, only 20% in the commission for affiliate product. So for a product launch you can use that thing. Then content writing, if you're a good writer then that's okay, otherwise this thing can help you. I know I'm suck at while speaking, but believe me, in the writing I'm better than my speaking. So that is for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, query, let me know in the comment section. I will happy to reply you, and that's it. Make sure you give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.